it's Ivy, and today I'm going to be doing a Basics 101 video. Today we're going to be covering how to bleach your closures and lace frontals to perfection, okay? How to install them and the best glue to use. If you guys are interested in seeing that, keep on watching. So the wig we're using today is from Bookivyp hair, and how you guys see it right now is what it looks like after I've washed and added product to the hair. So I'm gonna rewind and you guys can see how this hair looked when I first got it out of the box. So this is what our unit looks like. It is super long, you guys. I can't wait to put this on. Super long, very full curly hair. Just want to show you guys the natural texture. When I come back, the texture is going to be looser, I'm pretty sure, after I co-wash it. Here's the inside of the unit. It comes with combs, and it also comes with the elastic band at the bottom. Right here is your parting space. So it has a lot of parting space, which I like. I hate a wig that's like the part is too little. It looks really funny to me. So yeah, the parting space is really nice, and it does come with HD lace, which is, you know, what we want. We want HD lace. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove these combs, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I bleach my knot. You want to make sure you have a mannequin head and also a wig stand. I get mine from Amazon. It's from the brand Jex. I don't know how to pronounce it, y'all. Let me put that down because it's kind of heavy. So what you want to do is turn your wig inside out. You just want to make sure all the hairs are like back out the way because you don't want those to bleach. So just move them out the way. And I decided to do this quick video, you guys, because we need to get back to the basics. Period. We need to get back to the basics, okay? So then we're just gonna shift our unit forwards, and then you have your lace exposed, okay? That's how you want your wig to look. So you can bleach your knots a bunch of different ways, but I like to use the Salon Care Quick White. To me, this is the only bleach that gets my knots the color that I want in the right amount of time, and I don't have to re-bleach my hair 80 times, okay? So you can get this at Sally's. I will link it below. This can change depending on who you ask. I'm using 40 today because this unit is kind of dark, and I want to make sure my knots lift the first time, okay? And you just want to make sure you have a bowl and a brush to put your bleach in. I'm going to show you guys how mine look when I come right back. Now that our mixture is done, I like mine thick, okay? Thick, like toothpaste, okay? Nice and thick, and you just want to paint it on there lightly, okay? Lightly. Don't be rough. Don't be heavy-handed. Lightly. See how I'm spreading that? Lightly, okay? Lightly. You just want to be very light-handed. As I come closer to the front, what I like to do is get even lighter, okay? Because those knots are single knots in the front. So sometimes you might notice the front of your unit like really over bleached and just, you know, a mess. That's because you probably was too heavy handed near the front. You gotta be very light in the front, you guys. Like if you guys could feel how light it might not look light, but I'm being like so delicate. Now it's time to install our unit. I like to use my wig grip whenever I wear a wig. Like, it's not up for discussion. Like, I have to have this, or like my wigs feel like they're gonna fly off my head. You wanna make sure you clean your forehead really well. As you guys can see, I have on makeup and I had to clean off around my hairline. This is how she looks after washing, co-washing. Like, y'all, look at these juicy curls. Like, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. And you guys know that this is a closure, which is gonna make our install process so easy, super easy. So you just wanna adjust your wig on your head. I like to kind of frown a little bit just so I can make sure my wig is not like pulling or anything. Y'all, this is a lot of hair. Oh my God, it's a lot. What you want to do is lift this back, and I'm going to use a clip. So I received this care package right here. She's a celebrity hairstylist, and she formulated glue. This glue is called Love Bond Adhesive. And you guys, when I say this is one of the best glues, like, I usually hate most lace glues, right? I found like 1 or 2 others that work, but this, you guys, oh my God, you'll see. I got a wax stick, protection spray. I'm gonna be using most of this today. And this right here is the remover. I'm not using this today. And this right here is all-purpose foam, and I love this foam because it doesn't make the lace lift. I don't know if you guys experience your lace lifting when you put a lot of, you know, foam on it, but this one, it doesn't do that. Also have my little edge elastic strap, which I needed one of these. Thanks, Taji. Okay, and I have a nice little pink comb. So what I'm gonna start off with is the protection spray. You always want to protect your skin. I usually don't do this, you guys, but ever since I started using like the protection spray, it's like it creates that barrier in between my skin and the glue, and it honestly helps it stick better. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and apply my layer of glue. So I'm gonna just do 2 layers because I don't need a whole lot of layers of glue. Yeah, 2 layers is good for me. And you just want to get it on there and smooth it out. You want to make sure to do thin layers, you guys. Don't use a whole lot of glue. I think sometimes we can I might just do 1 layer, honestly. Sometimes we make the mistake of using too many layers of glue, and it's just a hot mess. And you want to practice the amount of glue to put on. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do is let this go ahead and dry down, and once it's dry, I will come back. Okay, you guys, so let's go in with 1 more layer, because I want to keep my wig on a while, so let's go on 1 more layer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I really think that this dries down really fast. Like, I thought I was gonna have me a little foam break. But I'm right back because the glue it dries so freaking quick. This is not the glue to use if you like a super slow worker. Like, no. Guys, I'm gonna let that layer dry and I'll be right back. Now this is an issue I feel like people run into and never talk about how to fix. So sometimes when you're doing like lace fronts and lace closures and things, we can apply too much glue. This is what I was talking about measuring the amount of glue you use. So whenever I put too much glue, I just take the end of my rat tail and I just press it on that area. And this is how I just roll it off, right? And this way, it doesn't interrupt the glue that I want to keep on my head. So you want to make sure you always go downward, okay? Oh, y'all don't be telling nobody my industry secrets. Okay, so yeah, go down. Yeah, so you guys see how I was just cleaning that up? You just want to do that all around until there's no more glue residue. Ooh, child, I put way too much glue on. Why you always tell me? But I mean, I make that mistake sometimes. Especially when I've been wearing like lace fronts for a minute and I switch to lace closures. You use way less glue when you're installing like a lace closure. So I applied too much, way too much. Okay, so don't make my mistakes. Okay, you guys, so once you get that glue off, this is how it should look. And I know it looks a little bit funky around the hairline, but we're gonna fix all of that. You just wanna take some alcohol and literally just rub it. And then what this does is just reactivates the glue. So it'll, I don't know how to explain it, you guys, but this is what I do. And then I literally don't touch it. Like in this process, don't touch it, just let it dry. Literally let it dry, and then we're gonna move to our next step, which would be our baby hairs. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna do our baby hair, and you just wanna, you know, pull down a nice little amount. During this process, how little or how much baby hair you want is totally up to you. Like, it's all your preference, what you like, you know. To do my edges on all of my wigs, I only like to use my Edge Booster Gel. And if you guys been following me a long time, you know that I like to sculpt my baby hairs, then I go back and cut. So I like to take a little bit of gel, and then what I'll do is just literally like sculpt my baby hairs into place, just so I can see, oh, like that's too much or that's too little or whatever. Like, it allows me to see how it's gonna look before I actually go in and start like cutting my hair. Because I don't, you know, it's been times in the past where you cut too much baby hair or too little baby hair. All right, you guys, so now I like to take my scissors and I just take the baby hair, like the little edge, and then I just go down like this. How simple that is, like, and then I re-sculpt. Okay, you guys, so the baby hair is done. What I'm gonna do is put my little band on, and then I'm gonna wet down my hair a little bit, and then I'll come back and we'll see the finished result. And you can definitely take more out your hairline, like if you want to take, like, make it a little bit thinner. So now I'm gonna use the foam, and I'm just gonna put that around the hairline. And it smells so good, you guys. It has like this cotton candy smell. It is so good. It smells so good. I love it. Okay, you guys, so this is how the hair looks after I've put some product on it. Okay, it's cute. It's cute. I love it so much. So pretty. Of course, when it dries all the way, you can pick the curls loose. They don't have to stay defined like this, but I like them defined. So I did go all over the hair with mousse, just to tame the hair, and this side is almost dry. I'm still letting it, you know, dry up and formulate what it's about to look like. And the other side is just, I just did it. Y'all see the texture? So pretty. Let me turn it up so you guys can see. I really love how this hair turned out. The lace looks so good, you guys. Like, it's so natural. I didn't have to do anything extra to it. This is just how it looks. This wig is so nice, long and curly. Definitely something really good to wear, you know, this summer or any time of the year. It definitely gives you that little tropical vibe, you know. Yes, so I love it. Perfect. This is like perfect vacation hair. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching another one of my videos. Everything I use from today's video will be linked below. I will also link below Taji's products because they're awesome. Like, y'all, they're so good. This mousse, it's so good, you guys. So definitely check out these products. I'm gonna link them below. And also my wig will be linked below as well. So make sure you thumb up this video. Make sure you subscribe, comment below, and let me know if you like this hair. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.